Hello adorables, welcome everyone to my channel. Today I have a promotional package to show you from One Day Savings. They asked me if I would like to select a product from their inventory free of charge and show it to you on my channel, and I said yes. So I want to mention that first off, it came in this bag and it did suffer a little bit of damage in shipping. I've had this sitting here for a few days, and I have had attempts at making a video, but nothing worked out for me, so we're going to try again today. There's been a reset. Start all over. Okay. So this is the image that I selected, and this is a 50 by 60. I think it's very pretty. I don't have a lot of things that are like white backgrounds, and this is, it's the background, but it's the sky and the reflection of the bright light, and it's different. It's different this way. It's not like here's a picture and then all this is white, because I don't like those kinds. But this amount of white on this image, I think it's good. So the only thing I saw that was like weird about the image, and I saw it before I ordered it, was this. And I don't know what that is, so I decided to make up a story. So this is a bird, and he's got a snake. He's saving the other birds from the snake by carrying it away. Okay, so that's what I came up with that. Okay. And I really like this image. There's 40 colors. Let me show you the drill field and the thumbnail. A little bit of damage in shipping, so it's kind of... Okay, so there they go. You got 1 through 8. We got our alphabet going down there. And when we hit 28, we've got some symbols. That's a weird one there, huh? Okay, now the drill build. And I want to tell you, this is going to be there's bright blue in this, and they will be up in here. Capital A is a light blue, yeah. So, okay, here's his face. And here's this one. So, they won't have eyes. This one's got an eye. So maybe you come over here and you put a little bling bling dot on both their eyes to make this one stand out, because you don't really see it here. It's black and everything around it is black. Okay, down here I noticed this. This is all the same symbol. They want this to all be black. I don't like that, so what I will do the black up in here. But when it comes to these lighter shades, I'll get a very dark green, I think, and put that in there, because this is all calling for black. And I like the pieces of grass standing out like that. I think I can do it. Like, there's another color green, but like in here, but maybe I just pick one color green and throw it in before I do the black. Just be like, okay, color it by eye. See all this down here? They want that to be black. I think I'll go with the dark green. Maybe get a blue. We'll see how it goes. I think that's a little bit too much. I don't care for that, and I will have to take it upon myself to fix it. And whoops, sorry about that. So with this agreement, I not only agreed to do this promotional video, but I also agreed to do a second video, a how-to video. So perhaps I will focus on color changing this by eye, and because it's in a corner too, so maybe it'll just go like that, and I'll pick some colors out. But the colors are actually here. I couldn't get them all back in the bag. There's problems. Okay, that's just the fake money that I wrote on. So when I open it up, I remember. Now look at these colors. You don't see that when you look at this canvas. You don't see that anywhere. So it's got some beautiful colors. And look at all these whites. I've never seen anything like this. Not even with black. Never this many. Like it's so big. Okay. And some more colors. Because I love my baby bag, baby bag, baby bags. I love my baby bag, baby bag, baby bags. It's a dark one. Oh, pretty. Very pretty. They're very pretty. There's smushed ones in the middle. That's the only thing I'm seeing wrong here. But, I mean, that don't count for anything at all. Nothing. I don't even know why I mentioned it. Look at this. Where are these in this canvas? Look at all these. All these colors, these blues. It's like, where are they? But I will find out where they go. And if they're the wrong drills, that's going to be okay too, but they're not. Because the colors are on the side. I can see that right there. So the colors match with the chart on the side. See, here they go leaking all over the place again. I got one of them in a baggie in there. Okay, so that's its colors. And that was the damage in shipping. Comes with a toolkit. But the damage in shipping kind of popped a couple of those bags open. And so that's not really the company's fault at all. Well, maybe because they didn't use the right bag. But, I mean, they didn't do it themselves. It wasn't like it was messed up. And then they sent it to me. So the stick on here, it's a nice stick. I got a little something on it. Because it took me quite a bit of time to get the plastic to lay down. And this was really crinkled bad on the side. So now it's pretty flat. Yeah, 40 colors. Like, I'm getting surprised with these canvases coming with 40 colors. And it's like, I just don't see it. Like, where do I see all those blues and greens on here? You know? But this is, I think this is the image that I got. So why? I don't know. I don't know. We'll see what it looks like when I work on it. I'll get this one next month, most likely. Okay, so that's the canvas. I think it's very pretty. I kind of went out of my comfort zone with this one because technically, like I said, it's not really the same type of background that the white bothers me with, you know. It's not the same type. And with all those blues in there, like these aren't white. These here will be a light blue. This will be another, it could be the bright blue. Because, okay, down here. Like they gave us the colors, but they didn't chart it right. You know, for the blues down in here. So I will probably just use those colors. Yeah, like the Fs. I got 2 bags of Fs, and this is basically the only place I see them is right there. On the wing. I don't see them anywhere. I really don't. They should have been down here in this. They got a color, but it didn't print this right. And that's what we'll work on for this video whenever I do it. We'll work on getting this stuff done in here and seeing how it looks, because I'm not really great at that type of stuff. I'm not a professional artist. I like the colors to already be properly color charted, and I want a clear canvas with large symbols. There's nothing wrong with the size of these symbols. They're a little on the tiny, like it's not bold stamped. Like the T's are much easier to see than the little D's, but I could see it fine. If it was much smaller or thinner, I would have a problem with it, because I just did one I couldn't tell the difference between the 8s and the Bs, and then the 5s came in with 3s and 6s, and I just couldn't tell the difference. I finished it, and I told myself, you're never going to put yourself through that again. It's not fun. Don't do it. So it didn't come from this company. Okay, it was from another company. But I'm just saying, yeah, I didn't like that experience with the very fine print and stuff. So this one doesn't seem to be a problem. I could tell everything apart very, very good. You know, even the wacky symbols. I'm reading it from a distance here, so I don't think I'll have that same kind of a problem with this. But it's close to because it's not so bold. I really love it when they're bold print. I don't know, and you can see them really clear. But you know, they're all different. They all come different, and that's how this one comes. And I think it looks great. I want to thank the people at One Day Savings for thinking of me and offering me to do this for them. I really appreciate it. And I can't wait, really, because this is so pretty down here. When we layer those blues on there, we're going to do it. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so thank you, everyone, for watching. I sure hope you're having a good day. Peace out. God bless my adorables.